Hello, I'm Dennis Scott. I'm presenting DDZ projects today and our new product initiative, DOMS, D-O-M-S, which stands for Downwash-Outwash Management System. Now, helicopters fly by creating downward thrust. This downward airflow is termed downwash. And when in close proximity to the ground effect converts downwash, exhausting it radially as outwash. Now, if helicopter pilots aren't careful and they descend too quickly, or when they're transitioning onto a raised helipad, such as on top of a tall building or on an oil rig, there's the potential for the creation of a situation termed vortex ring. Vortex ring is when the downwash recirculates around the tips of the blades and is re-ingested. This causes a significant loss of thrust, and if there's insufficient altitude available to recover the aircraft crashes. Indeed, each year there are many instances of vortex ring recorded and subsequent loss of life. Now, the new generation of advanced air mobility aircraft, termed eVTOLs, currently flying in companies such as Archer, Joby, Eve, Beta in the US, Vertical Aerospace in the UK, SkyDrive in Japan, and many more in China, they all utilize multiple rotor systems, smaller rotors naturally, but hence they have to generate much higher airflow velocities, and their multi-rotor configurations result in highly interactive, unstable, unpredictable airflows. So the resulting outwash is very dangerous to surrounding areas, infrastructure, and any people on the ground. Now, DOMS is installed in the surface of the landing pad. It absorbs these high-velocity, highly disturbed airflows and exhausts them safely on two sides of the landing pad. They're exhausted in a vertical manner, and this creates two air curtains, which has a secondary purpose of also protecting the local environment from the noise of the airplane, which of course is very important when you consider advanced air mobility is intended for urban operations. Now, the competition achieves a similar effect, but by using active systems within the landing pad. Active systems are far more expensive to procure, far more expensive to operate because they're extremely power hungry in the nature they work, and they simply don't have the inherent reliability of our non-active DOMS system. Now, we've consulted extensively in the industry, specialists and experts who've endorsed the DOMS concept and method of operation. We've also utilized a standard shipping container geometry to create a modular system which not only eases transportation, logistics, and on-site installation, but it means we're highly scalable as well. Patent lawyers have reviewed our system compared to existing patents, and we're working with them to proceed to patent DOMS. We're just waiting for our local scale testing to be completed, and you'll notice in our application we want to push ahead to full-scale testing as soon as possible. Thank you.